Hello everyone, this is Ravindra. So today we'll see the final step for exporting and importing your content packages from development to production using your CTMS. So this is my cloud integration development system, and we have one more system, that is your sales sub account. Within this integration suite, this is your sales sub account. And if you go to this and go to about, you find this is the tenant, sales tenant, which is a production system for me, right? Now what we'll do is, so within the development system, say when you go to this development system, sub account development. So we have created, we have set up your content agent application, integration suite application. Then after that, a process integration API, then content agent service standard and process integration flow, and the cloud foundry from this side, and the CTMS side. So we have set up your cloud transport management application and cloud transport management instance in the cloud, and after that cloud runtime, cloud foundry runtime here, right? Then after that, we have established the destinations for the development, and for the development destination and production destination is already set up in your CTMS, right? Fine. So what we'll do is we'll try to build up an application now in the development. So it's in the integration suite of the development. Let me create one package. Say, for example, this is HP underscore project. And version 1.0.0. Vendor, I'm giving it as SAP. Then save this package. Once you save this package, here transport is not yet enabled, right? Save, export, cancel, and delete package is there. Now within this artifact, let's go to add integration flow. And this is, for example, sales underscore iflow. Add an open editor. And go to edit. I'll try to select the sender and drag and drop to the start button and select it as HTTPS. In the connection, sales underscore iflow, and just come down and remove the CSRF protection, and let us add one content modifier. And in this, test data, and let me give this as content modifier data 1. Simple. Then we can save it. So once you have saved, save as version, initial iflow, save it. Now let me go to edit, save and deploy again. So sales has been successfully deployed. And when I go to the deployment status, and I'll go to navigate to this content. If you want to see the endpoint URL, fine. That is okay. Now what you need to do is you have to come back to your HP project after creating the flow. You have to come back to your HP project, say, or come back to your integration and iFlows. So we created one HP underscore project. So there's a package. Now, when you go to the HP package, you find your transport option enabled here. So this content, you want to transport it to production now. So click on the transport button. This is transport one from dev to QA. Say changes one, or you can say part one, or changes one, and click on propagate logged in user as a transport owner. My development user ID. Now click on transport. Draft version. Why in the draft? We have done this. Okay, let me go to this. In which version it is there? Still in the draft version. Okay. Now go to edit. Save as version. Second version. Deploy again. Is deployed. Now let's go back to the HP project and see that the version is 1.0.2 and go to the transport. Now select it. Now click on transport. Initial transport. Changes one and click on transport. Initial transport request one and 181 is the transport request ID. Click on OK. So once it is done, then we'll go to your transport management. And when you go to your landscape visualization, so there is an from development to production node, we got one request being created and generated here. Now we can see that it is your HB project initial transport changes one and it is 181. So you can select this and click on import selected. So before this, if you want to see whether this is the production environment, and so let me refresh one time and see that your HP project is there here or not, right? So currently there is no HP project. So after transportation, that particular package should be imported here. Fine. Now let me go back to this and click on OK. So import has been started into your production node. So now it's successfully imported into your production environment. So let's check now. Click on refresh now. Yep, your HP project has come up. And in this, we find the artifact, sales flow 1.0.3. And now what we'll do is, let's go to the integration suite. This is endpoint should be generated for this. Yeah, it's done. Now, let me open this. Go to edit, the development. I'll go for edit this and go for one more content modifier. Data 2, and in the message body. So we're making a second change to this, all right? So test data 2, save this and save as version 1.3. Additional changes to content modifier. 2. Click on save and I'll try to deploy this. So meantime, we can see in the production environment, your iFlow with 1 is there here. Okay, so let's go back to the HP project. So we have this HP project in version 1.0. And sales flow in 1.2. Okay. So now we have added this and deployed it. Let's go back to the HP project. Now it is in 1.3 version. Now click on transport. Content modifier added. Changes to and click on transport. So 217 is request ID. Once done, let's go to the integration suite. Sorry, transport management. And the transport nodes. We can see that we got an 217 request here. Now, if you want to schedule it, so daily, every second hour, 6 times per day, 4 times per day, 2 times per day. All right. So weekly, so you can activate and just keep it so that automatically after every 1 hour, it tries to import the packages. So now let's import this. So import has been started. So the second update is being successfully done. Then after that, let's go to your HP project now. This is development, and we should now go to the production and just click on this HP project. Go to the artifact. Now it is 1.3 and your content modifier 2 is added here, right? So we successfully implemented your CTMS for transporting your content packages of your cloud integration, right? From development to production. Fine then, now what we'll do is let's me go to the content agent service. So this is your content agent service. Click on overview and you can see that, let me enter. So it will be a little bit slow. So with the help of content agent service, you can import and export the packages or contents of different content types from development to production. Import as well as export can be done with the help of this content agent service. And overall, for example, now I create one package here. Say, for example, I'm creating one package called, for example, HP underscore project 2, second project 1.0.0 SIP, and save this. Go to the artifact, click on add iFlow. So this is purchasing underscore iFlow. Add and open in editor. I'll add a content modifier to this. Test message. Simple one. So let me save it. Save as version. And deploy it. Sorry, on deploy it. Successfully deployed. Then let me go to HP project 2. It is in version 1.0. So when I go to design, integration APIs, and HP project 2, so then my transport option should be enabled. So now we'll not do with this transport option. So let me go to my content agent service. In this, let me go to my content resources. And so what are the different content resources? I have it. Just refresh. And what are the content types? We have it. And for exporting it, so from the content types, we can see our API management. That is your destinations and HP project. Now HP project 2, right? So once it is done, so now this project, I want to export it to the production now, right? So go to step 2. You can export mode can be your cloud transport management means. Otherwise, you can download this particular file. So this is HP project 2. Give the name and it is for download purpose. Now click on step 3. And this iFlow and these resources what we have. Just go to your step 4. And the export is happening. This HP project 2 mtar file. So I'll just keep it in the download. Click on save. So HP project2.mtar file is successfully exported. Now this particular mtar file, you can import it. Click on step 3 and this is fine. Next. Now the export of this is being done. So you see, export process initiated, then started, content is switched from HP project 2, then mtar is created, and content is successfully transported with ID file 249. So let's goes to CTMS and get the overview, landscape visualization. Now we got your initial request here. So this is your request number 255, HP project 2. Then I can just click on import selected and click on OK. So once it is done, then let me go to this cloud integration. And when I execute this, I got my HP project 2, right? So exporting is done from your content agent service, right? Okay, everyone, thanks for your time and we'll close this cloud integration now, right? Okay, everyone, thanks for your time and let's go for the next topic. Thank you for the day. See you. Bye-bye.